With 2.4, there are a few updates to the More Options sidebar that we often access on the right where there is styling. Now, the styling and the effects are split. Select any element on your page, and I've got the text here selected, and you go to Settings. Usually down here, you would have had an option for more settings. Now it says Styling and Effects. It doesn't really matter which one you click. It's going to open the Options sidebar. Click on Styling. It opens, and you will see that it opens to the tab of Styling, and Effects is just adjacent to it. If I click outside again, we do the same. Go to Settings, and I click on Effects. Same sidebar, but it will go by default to Effects. 2 new shortcut keys have also been added for this. Select the text, Control-Command-M on your keyboard, and that's going to open the styling. Click outside, select it, Control-Command-K, and that's going to open the effects. And if you're not sure where to find the shortcut keys, go to the bottom left-hand corner, select the Go to Dashboard, and then select Shortcuts. And this will open the Shortcuts menu for you, and you can check all the shortcuts that you have. Here at the bottom, the Control-M and the Control-K. Be cognizant of where these new options are, and if you want to access your effects like before, they are here, as well as the scroll effects that have been added. One feature I've picked up here, which I didn't notice before, is that the effects and entrance animations are also now responsive. That is great for me because I always have a gripe with entrance animations on smaller devices like mobiles. Now I can apply it here. Let's say I want to apply it to this entire block. I go to the block, Settings, Effects, and I apply a fade in. And then when I go to my mobile and tablet, I'll just skip right down to mobile, and I select it, I can say none. If I go back to desktop, it is still there. You see it fades in, but on my mobile device, it has been disabled. Great feature.